Today we're building a simple personal portfolio site with 4 sections: Hero, About, Projects, and Contact. The key constraint is a CLI-only workflow. Codex CLI is already installed, and we will not open a manual editor. Every file change happens through Codex commands. You'll learn to scaffold files, shape the HTML, style it with responsive CSS, add a little JavaScript, then preview and iterate. Always double-check your path before running commands. Let's scaffold the project from the terminal. Start by creating and entering a clean folder, run portfolio and then cd portfolio. Next, ask Codex to generate a baseline static site with Codex init or Codex new. You should see index.html, styles.css, and script.js, plus an optional assets folder and a readme. Verify your output with ls or a tree view so you know you're in the right directory. Now use Codex to rewrite index.html with semantic structure. Add a header with a nav list that links to #about, #projects, and #contact. Add a main element with separate section blocks using matching ID values, and finish with a footer. Keep accessibility simple. Use one H1 for your name or role, then H2 headings for each section. Prefer descriptive link text, and consider adding a skip to content link. Preview and confirm the nav scrolls to the right sections. Next, style the site by updating styles.css through Codex. Start with design tokens in root, like colors, spacing, font sizes, and a max width. Add base typography, line height, and consistent section padding. Build a simple card style for projects, with background color, border radius, subtle shadow, and even padding. Lay cards out using Flex or a small grid. Add a media query so the nav stacks on narrow screens. Re-preview, then iterate for contrast and readability. Now add minimal interactivity in script.js. First, confirm index.html includes a script tag pointing to script.js near the end of the body, so the page is loaded before the code runs. For navigation, enable smooth scrolling with the CSS property scroll behavior, and add a tiny JavaScript fallback if needed. Add an active state on nav links using intersection observer, so the current section highlights as you scroll. Add a theme toggle that flips a class or data theme attribute and saves the choice to local storage. Finally, stub a contact form handler that prevents submit, checks required fields, and shows a friendly message. Finish with a tight loop: preview, verify, fix, and ship. Start a local preview using Codex CLI's serve or preview command, then open the local address it prints. Click each nav link and confirm the scroll lands cleanly. Refresh to verify the theme toggle persists. Try the contact form to confirm it shows the stub message instead of sending data. If anchors land under a fixed header, patch CSS with scroll margin top on sections. Next steps: add real project cards from a JavaScript array, drop screenshots into assets, write a simple readme, commit, and deploy to any static host. That's your complete CLI-only portfolio workflow.